In this short video tutorial, we will understand about the switch statements in C. Now, the switch statements are almost the same as conditional statements in the C language, but the way in which we write the switch statement is quite different from the way in which we write the if and else statements. So let's write a small program to understand about the switch statements in C. So I've included the stdio.h header file, and I've created the main function in our program. Now, inside the main function, I've declared an integer variable a, and I've given it a value 4. Now let's write a switch statement. Let me first write it and then I'll explain what I've written. So let's say we are printing a, and then let's say we are printing b. Now let's understand this switch statement that we have written. In this program, we have created an integer variable a and we have given it a value 4. Now we have written the switch statement. Switch statement is written by making use of the switch keyword and then creating the body of the switch. So this is the body of the switch, starting with this bracket up till this bracket. So this is the body of the switch statement. And inside the body of the switch statement, we have created multiple cases. So these cases are the ones which will get executed if they match the value of the decision variable. So whenever we write the switch case statements, we always need to use some decision variable. So in this case, our decision variable is the integer variable a. Now the switch statement will make a decision depending on the value of this variable. Now the value of this variable is 4. Therefore, when we get inside the switch statement, we will match that case which will have the same value as the value of this decision variable. Now the value of the variable a is 4. Therefore, this case will not match because this case will run if the value of a is 1, but the value of a is 4. So this case will not match. So then we will go to the next case, which will match with the value of a, because this case says that if the value of a is 4, then this code will run. So when the switch statement will run, it will match this case with the value of a, because the value of a is 4. Now when a given case inside the switch statement matches with the value of the decision variable, the code inside the body of that case will get executed. So in this case, the second case, which matches with the value 4, has only one line of code in its body. So this line of code will get executed. So if we run this program, you will notice that B, capital B, will get printed on the screen. So you notice that capital B has been printed on the screen because the switch statement is using the a variable as the decision making variable, and this case matches with the value of the variable a. So that is why B has been printed on the screen. So this video should have given you the basic idea about the switch statement. In the next video, we will talk more in details about what we need to take care of when we are writing the switch conditions in our C program. So with this, we'll end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.